So, one of the things I would say is we implemented some of these bunch of AI capabilities across our SME banking processes in China through a specific tool. And we've seen, anywhere between 70 to 80% reduction in turnaround time for that. So look, as we're talking backstage, AI right now is everywhere, right? Whether it's, a product that we buy and it's built into the product, or whether we identify specific use cases and problem solve that through AI capabilities. And I'll come to an example soon, but my role within the bank is essentially to deploy one of the roles, deploy Lean Six Sigma experts into the various parts of the bank to re-engineer the processes, right? And actually, where it's already digital, looking at a lot of the data and the AI tooling or the capability actually telling us where to look, and in some cases telling us what the solution is, rather than going and doing a whole current state understanding mapping manually, right?
And that's what I think most of the organization have been doing over past couple of years, that gradually incorporating AI and automation in the daily business, the daily work. So it's basically cutting down your response time and allowing teams to focus on more complex problem solving, which could be like an P1 bug.
So a lot of the business cases that we have, what I've seen over and over again is, although there's AI capabilities out there everywhere, but there's still kind of a bit of hesitance in terms of committing the amount of efficiencies that we would get right off the bat. But inevitably, in a lot of these use cases, where we've come to is when we come at the other end, normally what happens in traditional projects, you see massive benefit reduction or benefit erosion. But in a lot of these AI initiatives, we're actually seeing at least holding that, or in making it, or getting even bigger returns, right?
So understand that this AI is really helping us reducing the manual work, saving that cost, making our processes really efficient, and using those resources for the products that are really needed for our customers, getting us more efficiency for our engagement and the experience for our customers.